So this is a brand new 2015 Toyota Avalon, the zero mileage. You see how much it's giving the mileage, 11.5. This average is very bad. When I buy, it says in the city 23 and in the highway 31 miles per gallon. So it's giving 11.5 only. So which is I'm so disappointed. You see, this is brand new. I just dropped now 81 miles from the zero. So this is just brand new. You see, I dropped only 81 miles. That's it. So let's see now. I'm keep going. Let's see. See radio, this audio. Inside's okay, everything's okay, it looks good. Like this is like there. I paid this one for 39,000. I bought in New York City, so I live in New York City.